Hello guys, welcome in our classes. Today we will study communication system. First we will see the quick revision of previous video, right? So in previous video we have seen the amplitude modulated signal. The general expression is like this, right? Simplify this. Here MT is message signal and AC cos 2 pi CT is carrier signal, right? So this is AC cos 2 pi FCT is carrier component and this is AC KMT cos 2 pi FCT is message signal component. So what will be the spectrum of amplitude modulated signal? If MT is any arbitrary message like this, right? The spectrum of MT is this and the carrier CT is AC cos 2 pi FCT and spectrum of this CT will be impulse, right? AC by 2, AC by 2, right? So this is MT, this is CT, and by combining both of these, the amplitude modulated signal will have a spectrum like this. As AMT, spectrum will be like this, right? At FC, at minus FC, FC plus omega, FC minus omega, minus FC plus omega and minus FC minus omega, right? AC by 2, AC by 2. So bandwidth of this amplitude modulated signal will be 2 omega, 2 into bandwidth of the message, right? So for single tone message, if MT is AM cos 2 pi FMT, right? Here FM is single frequency, so it is single tone, right? As AMT will be AC cos 2 pi FCT plus AC mu by 2 cos 2 pi FC plus FMT plus AC mu by 2 cos 2 pi FC minus FMT. FC plus FMT is upper side band, FC minus FMT is lower side band, and AC cos 2 pi FCT is carrier component. So the spectrum of this single tone modulation will be like this. This is carrier component, AC by 2, and AC mu by 4, same, AC by 2, AC mu by 4, right? 8 plus FC, 8 minus FC, 0, minus FC plus FM, minus FC, minus FM, FC plus FM, and FC minus FM. What will be the bandwidth? Bandwidth will be upper frequency minus lower frequency, 2 into FM. Bandwidth will be, right, 2 into FM. FM is frequency of message. So because of this extra carrier component, the demodulation is very cheaper and easy. But the drawback is it will have more power to transmit, right? So total power will be PC 1 plus mu square by 2, PC plus PC mu square by 2, PC plus PSB. So sideband power is equal to, comparing both, PC mu square by 2. So this is the total power formula. We have seen this in the earlier video. Now start subject for this video, right? So we know that PC is independent of mu. How? PC is equal to AC square by 2R. Here no mu component, so it is independent of mu. Independent of mu, right? But PSB is PC mu square by 2, so it depends on mu, and PT is PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. PT also depends on mu. So PSB and PT depends on mu, but PC is independent of mu. So see some analysis. If PT is equal to 1 plus mu square by 2 and PSB is equal to PC mu square by 2. So if mu is equal to 0, mu is equal to 0, put here, PT is equal to PC into mu is equal to 0, so PT will be PC, or PC is equal to PT and PSB is 0. If mu is equal to 1, put here mu is equal to 1, so this is 3 by 2. So PT is equal to 3 by 2 of PC, or PC is equal to 2 by 3 of PT. 2 by 3 means 0.666 PT, and PSB is, what will be the PSB? Put here 1 by 2, PC by 2, or PSB is equal to PT minus PC. PT minus PC is 2 by 3, so it will be 1 by 3 PT. 1 by 3 PT. So PSB is PT minus PC. PT minus 2 by 3 PT, 1 by 3 PT. So what is the analysis? Analysis is, for mu is equal to 0 to mu is equal to 1, for 100% modulation, the total power of amplitude modulated signal will be increased to 50%. 3 by 2 means 1.5 PC. Here PT is equal to PC, PT is equal to 1.5 PC. 50% increase. And also PC is equal to PT, means 100% of PT. Here PC is equal to 66.6% of PT. So for efficient power distribution, we want the share of PC as minimum as possible. But for mu is equal to 1, still 66.6% of PT is contained by PC, right? So it is drawback. Still 66.6% of PT is contained by PC. So next, efficiency, right? Efficiency or modulation efficiency. Eta is equal to share of sideband power in total power, PSB upon PT. Put the formula. PSB is PC mu square by 2 and the PT is PC into 1 plus mu square by 2. Solve it. PC cancel. Mu square by 2 plus mu square. So eta will be mu square by 2 plus mu square, right? Important formula. Here again some analysis. For mu is equal to 0, right? Eta is equal to mu square by 2 plus mu square, 0. Eta says the share of sideband power. So PSB is equal to 0. PC is equal to complete PT, right? Mu is equal to 0.5. Eta is equal to 0.11. PSB is equal to 11% of PT. PC is equal to 89% of PT. Mu is equal to 0.707. Eta is equal to 0.2. PSB is equal to 20% of PT. PC is equal to 80% of PT. Mu is equal to 1. Eta is equal to 0.333. Sideband power is 33.3% of PT. PC is equal to 66.6% of PT. So what is the analysis? Analysis is PC is equal to AC square by 2R. There is no component of mu, but as the mu increases, the PC, not PC, but the participation or share of PC in PT will decrease, right? 100% of PT, then 89, 80 and 66.6%. And for power distribution, efficient power distribution, we want the PC should share in PT as minimum as possible, right? But still 66.6% of PT will have the PC, right? Next is mu is modulation index. Mu is equal to 0, no modulation. Mu is equal to 1, critical modulation. Mu is less than 1, under modulation. And mu is greater than 1, over modulation, right? In critical modulation and under modulation, when mu is less than or equal to 1, the demodulation of AM signal, or if we want message to extract from AM, will be cheaper and easy, right? For mu is greater than 1, it will be difficult, right? Now, the carrier before modulation, CT, AC cos 2 pi FCT, right? But carrier after modulation, that is called SAMT. SAMT. It is a carrier but modulated carrier. 1 plus KAM cos 2 pi FMT into cos 2 pi FCT, right? So here the amplitude is AC. Here the amplitude will be whole this formula, right? So amplitude will be AC 1 plus KAM, that is called mu cos 2 pi FMT, right? So this is the amplitude of SAMT or carrier. So the exact is this. If this is CT carrier and this is message MT, then the SAMT will be like this, means increasing and then decreasing, then increasing, that is SAMT, right? So this is the amplitude AC 1 plus mu cos 2 pi FMT. So what is the analysis? Amplitude will be maximum, A max. If the cos 2 pi FMT is 1 plus 1, it will vary from plus 1 to minus 1. It will be maximum when it will be plus 1. AC 1 plus mu, and minimum AC 1 minus mu, right? So by solving both the equation, AC will be A max plus A min by 2, and the mu will be A max minus A min divided by A max plus A min, right? So this is AC, this is mu. What is the transmitter current and the voltage? Relation between current, transmitter current and carrier. So we know that the formula of power, PT is equal to PC into 1 plus mu square by 2, right? We know that PT is I square R, P equal to V into I, V equal to IR, I square R. IT is transmitter current, and here PC will be IC square R, carrier current, 1 plus mu square by 2. So by solving it, we will get IT equal to IC into under root 1 plus mu square by 2. This is the relation of transmitter current and carrier current. Like this, VT square by R, VC square by R, 1 plus mu square by 2, power formula in voltage form, and by solving VT equal to VC into under root 1 plus mu square by 2. So this is the relation of transmitter voltage and carrier voltage. So this is AT and PC, AT and IT. These are formulas are used sometime in numerical or in objective question. Now we will see the multitone modulation. What is multitone? Either the message is like this, means it has the range of frequency, either more than one frequency, cos 2 pi fm1t plus am2 cos 2 pi fm2t, fm1t, fm2t, more than one frequency. So put this in the am formula, AC1 plus Ka am1 cos 2 pi f1t plus Ka am2 cos 2 pi fm2t into cos 2 pi fct. Carrier is same. By solving this, we will get AC cos 2 pi fct, carrier component, and two upper band and two lower band, lower side band and upper side band, right? So AC mu1 by 2 into cos 2 pi fc plus fm1t plus cos 2 pi fc plus fc minus fm1t, right? AC mu1 by 2 cos 2 pi fc plus fm1 and fc minus fm1, upper side band and lower side band. Like this, in addition is AC mu2 by 2, we will remove it here, see this, plus this, plus here AC mu2 by 2 cos 2 pi fc plus fm2t plus cos 2 pi fc minus fm2t, right? So upper side band, two upper side band, and lower side band and lower side band, two lower side band, right? So this is the formula or general expression of SAMT for multitone signal. Carrier, then side band and this side band. So see the spectrum. What will be the spectrum in frequency domain, right? This is 0, AC by 2 impulse, and FM1 and FM2 also has the cos, that has the impulse, right? So this is AC mu1 by 4 and AC mu2 by 4 if mu1 is greater than mu2, right? Like same here, AC mu1 by 4, AC mu2 by 4. This is plus FC, FC plus FM1, FC plus FM2. FM2 is greater than FM1. FC minus FM1 and FC minus FM2. And same will be in negative region, right? So what will be the bandwidth from highest to lowest? This is upper side band, sorry, this is upper side band and this is lower side band. This is LSB and this is USB and this is carrier. So what will be the bandwidth? So bandwidth will be FC plus FM2 minus of FC minus FM2. FC cancel, FM2 will be added. So 2 into FM2. 2 into FM2 means 2 into maximum frequency of the message. 2 into maximum frequency of message. That is the bandwidth of this signal. Thank you.